Welcome to Ventor. It's the big reveal day for the 131 Fat Bob conversion. Here's what it used to look like, and what have I chosen? It's not just an engine, but some cosmetics as well. See what you think. I'm going to be, in this video, seeing it for the first time as well. Not faked in any way whatsoever, just watch my reaction. It is real. Let's cut to Newmarket. Back at Newmarket Harley Davidson to collect Fat Bob with the 131. They've been keeping it hidden from me, so let's have a look what it looks like. Oh, some other bikes come out. Yeah, my one. Phil's going to bring it out. Here we go. Is it going to look good? And what do you reckon? What do you reckon the extras are? Fat Bob reincarnated. Swearing. Fucking hell.
You need to get this side as well.
Look at that. It is like a brand new bike, but better. That is looking just crazy. So we're looking at what, 40% more power, Phil?
About that, yes. Especially with the pipe you got it as well.
Yeah, so the Vance and Hines Pro Pipe. What's it sound like? Oh, ow. Ow. That is awesome. Let's get riding. I cannot believe what a beautiful creation. To me, I'm just so happy with this. Just to see it in the flesh. That's stage 4 131 engine. The orange bits, the orange leads, black Vance and Hines pro pipe with an all black Fat Bob. Just don't need any more colour. Right, here we go. Look. Bloody hellfire. Listen to that. Clutch is a bit softer. I've got heavier springs on here, and I can't remember what it's called, some sort of special pulley system to eliminate the extra strength needed for the clutch. Lovely, it feels lovely. Very smooth. Doesn't feel a lot different to what it did before. But then I'm only just feathering the throttle just that tiny bit. Oh, it's pulling harder. Bloody hell. Doesn't need a lot of throttle. Let's hope it doesn't rain, because it might come a little bit unwieldy. As usual, it's raining. Yeah, I'm just finally a little bit front loading, just over 2,000 revs, and it goes like hell. Help me. Hardly taxing the engine at all. Trying to get home before it gets too wet. It's beautifully clean. If it pours of rain, we'll end up with mud and sludge, and the bike will look like a shed. Don't want that. Not today, anyway. The pipe is just a lovely sound. Just loud enough. Of course, it's letting the engine breathe properly. Fat Bob may not look like it, but with the 131 I've already done nearly 900 miles running now, and just over a week, or actually a week, and picked it up a week ago from Newmarket Harley Davidson. Went the next day to the cider rally. I've washed it 3 or 4 times now, but to me, cannot believe just how much better it looks. The orange highlights, the black parts, all the chrome's gone. The Vance and Hines black Pro Pipe exhaust, all looking very good. So I'm going to do another video soon where we go through everything that's been done to this bike and how you can do the same if you like the look of it. And of course, the power. And we're going to do some more rides, get used to it. I've got some brand new Avons coming very soon. The rear one's flattened off quite quickly, doing 800 miles to the cider rally. So those are being sorted. I've still got probably 1 or 2 months before I get the Öhlins suspension. This bike is changing fast. And boy, was it the right decision. It was so the right decision. Anyway, let's see what it's like to overtake. Now she's run in. What's she like? Be careful here. Bloody hell, fire! Shoot. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Fentor. Hope you enjoyed this brief episode, the introduction to the 131 Stage 4 Fat Bob. I'll be making more videos on this beauty soon, mostly because this is making me smile more than any other bike. Big time. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Fentor. Thanks for watching Fentor. Bye bye.